Jim, where did you say you're going to meet us?
I should jam tight.
Oh, look like you got a stick under that. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in there.
And what brand is this truck?
This is a 91 Ranger originally.
Well, that's why your parts are phone notes. It's a Ford.
That's why it's so good. That's why it's still running.
All right, back down to get some donuts. Hit it again, you got it. Woo! You got it stuck.
I got oil pressure, that's a good thing.
You good?
No, I haven't told me I'm stuck. I can't get out though because I can't open my door.
He's kicking a hill, that's what it is. Oh boy.
Well, I tried a couple of different spots and she didn't want to play. Oh yeah, stable up.
Oh my god. Right up there.
You gotta pull me that way, right? Yes, you can't pull me this way because it'll roll me. Yeah. Oh my lord. It's icy up here.
Careful, it's slippery.
Alright.
You want me to straighten up or just turn hard left?
Hard left.
And give a good jerk like that?
No,
Yep.
Go and then go till the table comes tight.
Oh, gentle.
Yeah, just till the cable comes tight. Gosh, you can do it now. I got the cable in. Drive ahead.
Oh boy. I'm on the top of a hill here, and this is going to be a lot of fun. No, it ain't trucking until somebody gets stuck on a big snowbank here.
Good.
So what went in it?
You have buckle Tim in.
Yeah, he's still up there.
Tim's just sitting up there. He's sitting sideways like this.
So this is what a Ford can do off-roading.
Oh, yes. This is just testing.
Testing?
This isn't even hard going.
Looks like your axle's having a good time in there.
Put it up here so I can work on it, right?
Yeah. Oh boy.
Alrighty, pull ahead of it. Take up tension.
Is there anyone guiding me?
Take up tension.
When you got the slack on. 3 feet.
Pull ahead 5 feet.
Pull ahead 5 feet.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep
Go.
going.
Go.
Keep going.
Go.
You still got slack.
Keep going.
Okay. You're
Good.
slack, Scott. There she goes.
Oh.
There she goes.
Just like that, you come down again.
Woohoo! There you go.
Well, that was an interesting rescue mission.
Don't truck unless you gotta rescue somebody.
Normally it's when in doubt, throttle out. In this case, we had to give it a little tug.
Yeah. When in doubt, throttle out.
Right now, when in doubt, give them a tug. How you doing, Tim? Tim was sideways there for a little
And this, ladies and gentlemen, for all you Ford guys out there, was saved by an Explorer. Now, what does that tell you about Ford?
Not just any Explorer, dude. Dora the Explorer.
Dora the Explorer.
And boots. Can't forget boots.
Playing in the woods. Following snowmobile trails. Enjoying life. Your wiper shit in the bed, so it was going and then it just gave up.
There you go.
Alright. It's flying bad. Something else to fix. So if we happen to go this way and add a bit of throttle to it.
Oh my.
Might be a little rough, I don't know.
Yeah. I doubt the camera will be able to pick it up, but I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna get it out here so you can hear the motor. Oh!
You already?
I'm good.
I can't hit the brake, that's why I hit the brakes, that's when she started sliding straight towards it.
We just hit a tree. We just hit that tree. Oh, holy shit. I got it.
She likes that.
I got it.
See, smaller trees aren't so bad. It's the big trees that fetch up and hurt.
Oh my God.
The smaller trees you can just run over, right?
We just hit into a tree. That was amazing.
Well, I mean, you can hit the trees.
Hit a big one, I dare you.
But I mean, the good thing is when you got a full exoskeleton, for the most part, she's fairly secure.
Right.
So I should be able to just point it and go through the woods. This is what I do. I'll put a bolt in her, that's all.
Oh yeah. You got a dent right here.
Oh, did I put a dent in?
Yeah, Rob, that right there, bud. Right
that's
there.
all good.
All right, right there, bud.
That's good.
You were just giving her, man.
RadioStation.com.
RadioStation.com. There it is, bud.
Where did they go?
I don't know. They're back there somewhere.
Headlight.
Oh, you got headlights? Nope, you stalled it.
Apparently fifth gear's a little high, I guess.
Yeah,
Can't start in fifth for some reason.
just a bit. Can't start in fifth gear, bud. Especially in a Ford. Whoa, God. Oh God, we're sliding there. Oh shit! No! Oh, we got stuck. Wait a minute.
Oh no. We're not stuck until I say we're stuck.
Stuck. Okay. Oh boy. All right, let's keep going. Let's go.
Fourth gear.
Yeah.
Let's see how she likes fourth gear.
She probably got to stall it. You're smelling hard oil here right now. You're.
Yeah. That's because I'm revving it.
Yeah.
She leaks out golf covers when you're revving too hard.
There you go. Yep. Okay, here we go. Burn it. Oh!
Oh, she's up on two wheels. That's
It's awesome. Oh my. We had two wheels. Oh my God. We had it right there. Oh boy.
Yeah, I know. I always yell when people fucking around on the roads here.
Oh yeah,
So here I am doing it.
yeah.